Well, nearly 36 states are seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations. Idaho and Wyoming are included in that number. Meanwhile, cases in other parts of the world are also going up. ABC's Marcy Gonzalez, she has the latest.
The number of COVID-19 cases increasing in more than half the country, with hospitalizations up in 35 states.
You're here alone, and this isn't where I want to be.
Leaders in Oklahoma City warned Tuesday morning there were no open ICU beds left in the entire city. And in Wisconsin, this field hospital activated, opening up additional space after the number of people hospitalized in the state nearly tripled in a month.
Here's the bottom line, folks. We have to get this virus under control and help flatten the curve.
This comes as phase 3 of a COVID-19 antibody treatment by drug maker Eli Lilly, similar to the treatment given to President Trump, is put on pause for a potential safety concern. And Johnson & Johnson is now the latest drug maker to hit a setback in the race for a coronavirus vaccine. Its stage 3 trial paused after one of the participants developed an unexplained illness.
This kind of stuff happens in clinical trials. Part of the reason why many of us have been saying, we shouldn't set a timetable for when a vaccine is going to be ready.
The number of new coronavirus cases also rising in Europe. In the UK, infections quadrupling in just the past 3 weeks. And concerns at the Vatican after 4 members of the Swiss Guards tested positive. It's unclear whether they had close contact with Pope Francis, who's appeared with crowds without a mask. And one of the most famous athletes in the world has now tested positive for the coronavirus. Soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo is in isolation and is said to be asymptomatic. Marcy Gonzalez, ABC News, Los Angeles.